Hello and welcome to creating a General Accounting Encumbrance GAE transaction with multiple lines in AZ360. We will be demonstrating this process in one of our test environments, and the screen has been zoomed in for optimal viewing. Please note that the demonstration will move rather quickly to conserve time. For more detailed explanations of the various steps being shown, we recommend reviewing the Create a General Accounting Encumbrance transaction scenario. For this scenario, an agency has received an invoice from vendor Tucson Electric Power for electric usage for each quarter of 2023. Using the provided invoice, create a GAE transaction with 4 accounting lines that encumber the quarterly amounts of $15,000 each. We will now be transitioning to the AZ360 application, which has already been logged into, and again, the accounts payable business role has been selected at the top right of the screen. So we'll go ahead and get started and type in GAE in the global search menu. We will then go and click Create to generate a new document. ADA will be our transaction department code, auto numbering, and continue. And in the GAE that generates, we will navigate to the general information section, transaction description field, and type in quarterly 2023 electric usage. Okay, well then I'm going to move right along to the vendor tab, insert a new vendor line. We will go ahead and look up our vendor code for Tucson Electric Power. And again, we'll use that wildcard feature to narrow our search results once the vendor customer code field has generated. We will select Tucson Electric Power, and then we'll go ahead and select the correct address code. Click Save, and then we'll move on to the Accounting tab. Entering a new accounting line. In the line amount field, we will enter $15,000. ADA is our department. The function, as in the previous demonstration, will be GSDUT22000. We do require an object code. We will use 7181. And in this case, and this is the deviation from the earlier instruction, we're going to click the down caret, and we're going to enter a line description because we are going to have 4 different lines on this GAE. In this particular accounting line, we will label it Quarter 1 2023 Utilities. And then we will validate the transaction. Now, with accounting line selected, accounting line 1 selected, we're going to navigate to the row 3 dot menu and select Copy. You'll know that the copy has been made successfully because this one record copied alert will appear. You will then click next to the alert to paste the line. Note that the new line has a 0 for the accounting line. That will update to 2 when we validate at the end of this process. Click the down caret and update the line description so it reads Quarter 2 or Q2 2023 Utilities, and click Validate. And then we can just go ahead and paste again a third line. So notice here that the accounting line 2 has updated. We now have an accounting line 3 labeled 0 as it's still in draft. Navigate to the line description. We're going to update that to Quarter 3 or Q3. Click Validate. And then we'll go ahead and paste our 4th line. So here we have accounting lines 1, 2, and 3. This will be our 4th line once it's finalized. And because all the information is the same, all we need to change is the description, the line description. So our users know which quarter that will be paying in future. Validate. We know that the transaction is validated successfully because of the message displayed. And we'll go ahead and submit for approval. And again, the successful submission message appears. Click Home to return to the home page.